Hello students, what we are going to do today is Unit 2.3. Unit 2.3, which is the unit New Conservatism after 1815. New Conservatism after 1815. What happened in 1815? Can anybody tell? Yes, the Napoleon got defeat in 1815 at Waterloo. Waterloo, a place in the Russian territories, where he got defeat in 1815. He got defeat in Waterloo. Who? Napoleon Bonaparte. Right. Then what was there? There was the rise of conservatism. There was the rise of conservatism. Conservatism was already there, but there was new conservatism. What was there? New conservatism there. What is conservatism? Earlier, what was there in France? Monarchy was there. Then what was there after monarchy? After monarchy, there was a republic rule. After republic, what was there? Now the control of Napoleon Bonaparte, means dictatorship was there. After the dictatorship, after the 1815, what happened? There were conservatism. What is conservatism? Who were the conservative? Who are conservative? The aristocrat class. The aristocrat class. We have discussed in the last video that who were there? That aristocrat class plus who were there? Middle class were there. Who were there? Middle class were there. Aristocrat class were the class those who were rich people, and they were only the conservative. And they were only the conservative. Right? Who are conservative? Traditional institutions means monarch. Traditional institutions means monarch. Monarch of the state. Traditional institution of the state and society should be preserved. What they want, what the conservative want, they want that whatever the old trend was there, they want the same kind of a trend. For example, India. For example, India. What was there in India when the Britishers rule was there on India? What the Indian people want? They want their old past. They want their past. That they want the freedom. Plus, what they want, this is, I will tell. Traditional institutions of state and society should be preserved. Means they want whatever monarchy system is there, that should be preserved. Plus what they want, modernization and modern principles that can strengthen traditional institution. Means in India, for example, in India, Britishers came and they ruled over. But what Indian people want? Indian people want their past, means they want their freedom. But what they want the whatever the good reforms are done by the Britishers, they want that. Right? Same thing was there with the conservatism. They want the old, means monarchy system, plus whatever the reforms introduced by the Napoleon Bonaparte. I think so you all are aware that he has introduced a lot of reforms. So he wants the modernization, conservatives wants the modernization and the modern principle plus traditional institution. I think so this is clear to you. Right? And like modern army, efficient bureaucracy. What was there in his time? The administration was his time, means at the time of Napoleon Bonaparte. The administrative system was excellent and efficient bureaucracy was there. So what they want the monarchy as well as the new principles or the modern principles. Right? And what happened in 1815? What happened in 1815? Napoleon was defeated. Napoleon was defeated. Where he was defeated? You have to answer me. You have to send me the message and you have to tell me where the Napoleon got defeat. Right? I told you here. Now you have to tell me. Right? Napoleon was defeated by European powers. And what happened? They met at Vienna. When Napoleon got defeat, what happened? When Napoleon got defeat, then what happened? The European powers, European powers means those who had given defeat to Napoleon. They met at Vienna, a place. Vienna is a place. They met at Vienna, right? So what was there at Vienna? They met at Vienna. They held a meeting there. What kind of meeting? They will not eat snacks there, right? The meeting was what they will occupy now. What they will occupy now means, let's see. The Vienna Congress. The Vienna Congress was hosted by Austrian Chancellor. Who was the Chancellor? The Chancellor was Duke Metternich. The Chancellor was Duke Metternich, and he belongs to the Austria. He belongs to the Austria. And Duke means prince. Duke means prince. Prince Metternich. You have to write the Duke only. Duke Metternich was the host of the Vienna Congress meeting, right? And what was there? Treaty of Vienna was there. What was there? Treaty of Vienna. Treaty of Vienna. What was there at Treaty of Vienna? Why we are discussing about Treaty of Vienna? Because after 1815, because what was there? Napoleon. He was the ruler of France. But he was not only ruling France, but he had made a mess all over the Europe. He had made a mess all over the Europe, or we can say कि हर जगह तहलका मचा रहा था. किसने? नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. So Treaty of Vienna, most important Treaty of Vienna. What they decided at Treaty of Vienna? They decided that Bourbon dynasty was restored. I think so. You all are able to recall that Bourbon dynasty, Louis XVI, right? Are you able to recall? Louis XVI was there. Now who will come? Louis Philippe will come. Who will come? Louis Philippe. Bourbon dynasty was restored, right? And France lost its territory annexed by Napoleon. Means whatever territories were won by the Napoleon Bonaparte due to the Treaty of Vienna, they have to return all that territory. Or lost that, returned means other, those who gave the defeat to the Napoleon Bonaparte, Austria, Hungary, Russia. They gave the defeat to the Napoleon Bonaparte. They occupied that territories. And what else were done? Steps were taken to prevent French expansion. Most importantly, how they can stop the expansion of any area. What they did? Steps were taken to prevent the French expansion. For example, this is France. This is France, right? What is there? Here Prussia is there. Here Australia is there. Sorry, Austria is there. Here Russia is there. For example, what they did? They set up small areas, small territories. All four sides of France, right? What they did when France tries to, they thought when France tries to occupy the other areas, then what will first he will attack on that, it will attack on that. Then when they will attack on this area, till that time they will get some time. Till that much time they will get some time to stop that France, right? For example, in between China and India, Nepal is there. If China wants to occupy the India or want to attack on India, then first he has to cross the Nepal. Then till that time India will get the chance, India will get the time to stop the China. So what they did, they were very clever and they set up the small dynasties there, so that they can control the expansion of France. Right. Next thing, territories were given to Prussia, Austria and Russia. Whatever these territories and other areas, these territories, were given to Prussia, Austria and Russia. Why these were given to Prussia, Austria and Russia? Because they were the main those who gave the defeat to the Napoleon Bonaparte. Right. So what is the relation of conservatism with that? It is clear by that after the Napoleon Bonaparte, what happened again? What will come? The dynastic ruler will come, and they were the conservative. Let's see. Conservative regime was autocratic. Means they were. I told you who were the conservatives. Those earlier, those who were monarch, they were the conservative. Now, conservative regime was autocratic. I told you what is autocratic. Means the power of the king. There is no check on the power of the king. The power of the king is absolute with the king only. Right? Conservative regime was autocratic. It means all the powers were within the hand of a king, and there will be no check on the power of a king or monarch. They imposed censorship. Censorship, I think so you all are aware what is censorship. Censorship means media is not free to publish anything against the authority or without the permission of authority. They impose censorship, but what happened? Why they impose censorship? Why they impose censorship? Reasons were there. The most important reason that the memories of French Revolution continue to inspire for the another revolution. What they impose censorship, like in India. What happened? The revolutionary ideas were spread. The revolutionary ideas were spread with the help of media, right, or with the help of print. So they impose censorship. Why they impose? So that the revolutionaries' ideas will not spread to the public or among the public. So, but what was there? The memory of French Revolution continued to inspire another revolution, because now they were having the taste. Now they were having the taste of freedom. Now they were having the taste of freedom or the revolution. So they were continuous with the inspiration of revolution, French Revolution, right? This was their new conservatism after 1815. I hope so that it is clear to you all. Some names are given in the book. Don't bother about so much. Don't take tension of that names so much. Go through the concept, right? So till that time, revise thoroughly and properly. So stay home, stay safe, and be healthy. Thank you.